Hello everyone, welcome to the world of virtual reality. Have you ever wanted to explore to a different reality, experience things that you never thought possible, or interact with your favorite characters and games in a completely different way? Well, now it is possible, only because of virtual reality, or maybe we can call it VR in short. It is an incredible technology that enables users to enter to a completely digital world that feels just like our real world only. Let's start this video of the series logicbees, where you will be learning about what is VR, what technology VR is using, their different components, and working with some top applications that you can use to explore the world of virtual reality. So just by wearing a headset, users can be transported to another place, time, or even dimensions and interact with everything around them using handheld controllers or even their own body movements and so on. Okay, now imagine walking on a beautiful beach, exploring an enchanted place, or even fighting off zombies in a completely different world. With VR, these experiences are not just a dream, but a reality that you can fully engage in. But VR isn't just for entertainment, guys. It has many practical applications as well, as from training simulations for doctors and pilots to virtually design several tools for architects and engineers. The possibilities are endless. The reason why VR is such an exciting topic to explore is that it has the potential to transform the way we experience and interact with this world. But before all this, do you know, recently there's this company named Osso in 2019 launched their first VR system to help several surgeons practice dangerous surgeries. Those operations were like a kind of a board game. Even retail companies like Walmart and FedEx are also offering training to their frontline employees using VR. But have you ever wondered how this VR technology works? Like how they process data, track all of our movements, and display virtual environments. So VR is using a technology that simulates a three-dimensional computer-generated environment that a user can easily explore and interact with real or physical way. The experience is typically created by combining specialized hardware and software that works together. The technology consists of three different components. The first component is display. Here the user wears a headset that contains a pair of screens or lenses that displays the virtual environment in front of their eyes. The screen or lenses are totally high resolution and provide a wide range of view to create a sense of immersion. Moving on to the second component, which is tracking. Here users' movements get tracked using sensors built into the headset or placed in the environment, as this allows the users to move around and interact with the virtual world if they were actually there. That eventually brings us to the next component, which is input. Here in input, the user interacts with the virtual environment using different controllers, iPads, etc., so that the system can track their movement, by which they can move objects, roam around, and perform other actions with the virtual world. Now coming to the processing part, the VR system uses powerful computers and gaming consoles to process data from the sensors and input devices, and then generates the virtual environment in the real time. This requires a lot of computing power, guys, as the system must create a fully realized 3D world that responds to the user's movement and actions. Now talking about the audio part, here the user hears sounds in the virtual environment, which headphones or speakers typically generate. Guys, these sounds can help to create a more immersive experience for the videos. Guys, all of these elements work together to create a convincing virtual reality experience that can transport to the users to a completely different environment. With this, let's move on and check out Google Earth VR, one of the best VR apps that can't be ignored. Guys, if you love traveling around the world, it allows users to explore any part of the world in stunning details with immersive 3D graphics. Users can literally fly over cities, mountains, oceans, and even zoom on specific landmarks and attractions. Google VR has some top features too. Like for traveling, you can create your own virtual tours by using tour creators. With Tour Creator, you can create your own virtual tours of like any location you want to share with others. You can even add photos, 360-degree images, and narration to create a fully immersive experience. Moving on to the second feature, which is Street View. That allows users to virtually walk through the street of like any city in the world, experiencing the sights and the sounds of local neighborhoods and landmarks. Then there is a feature named Voyager. This feature offers guided tours created by experts in travel, history, and culture. Users can like literally explore everything from national parks to famous landmarks and even visit different popular sites. Also, Google VR has a specific feature for users who want to encounter the marine life. Yes, Google Earth has a feature named the Blue. It is a VR experience that allows users to explore the ocean depths and encounter different marine life. This feature is an excellent way to virtually experience scuba diving and explore the worlds of ocean. Overall, Google Earth VR offers a fantastic virtual travel experience, and we must say it is a great way to explore the world from the comfort of your own home. With this, I must say VR is pretty amazing and has the power to take us to the world that we could not only experience from our job sites to other planets. VR gives people the opportunity to experience many things in a safer way. And I can surely say that in the future, you might have a job in which you train in a virtual reality environment. You may play games, hang out with the people you love. You might even explore the depths of the ocean or climb Mount Everest, all from the comfort of your own home. Virtual reality can take you to all sorts of interesting places today. And who knows where you will be able to virtually go in the future. With this, subscribe to Fingertips for more informative content like this.